Hi guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle, a Sudoku Heavy, regular Sudoku Heavy, in today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, it's still Friday, June the 10th, 2022, and we have here two regular puzzles, Sudoku Light, and this will be number two, the Sudoku Heavy, and we have also in this newspaper an additional with 6 extra puzzles. Half of them I will solve. But first, we will continue with the second regular puzzle. A Sudoku Heavy number 4680. Alright. 4680. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits, 10 less than the previous Sudoku Lite. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle or Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. So let's get started. Alright. Let me see. Which number can I pick? Well, a lot of sixes. Yeah, but I cannot do anything with the sixes. And a lot of sevens. Yeah, let me start with the 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sevens. Right. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. On the last column, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see here 7 in the middle row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. Okay. Now I cannot continue with the 7. Haha, only 1. Okay. Well, in this column, we have 4 missing numbers in the first column. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8 in this big square. So no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there in the first column. We see here an 8 in the second row. So no 8 there. 8 should be there. Okay. Then. 7, 6. I'm scanning. We have a 9 in the last column. The 9 in the column next. So that column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Yeah. Nine. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Now. That's the question. What is the next step? What is the strategy? Okay. Let me think. 7, 1. And 5. Well. Yeah. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these two boxes. Here an 8 in the third column, so no 8 in that box. So the 8 could be here, could be there. We see here another 8 in this column, so no 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only two places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. Alright, then 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. Yeah, still thinking. 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. Alright. Come on. Yeah. We have a 9 in this row. The 9 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. Here 9 in the last row, so no 9 in these two boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. 9 in this column, 9 in one of those two boxes in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9 in the second row, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. And now I can continue with the 7. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only two places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in the second column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So in the first column, the only two places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in this row, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 7. Alright. Okay. Then. Let me see. 3. We have a 5 in this column. 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5 in the last column, so no 5 in these two boxes. Here 5 in the third row, so no 5 in those two boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 in this last column, 5 in one of those two boxes in the column next. So in that column, the only two places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only two places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5 in the third column, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. I marked those two boxes earlier with the 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. Do we have all the 5s? And all the 5s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 5. Okay. Alright. Then. 4. Okay. 1 number left in first column. For number 1. We have a 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 1. How about? Yeah. Hmm. 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 Yeah. 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 What is the next strategy? One, two, three, four missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We have a 3 in our last column, so no 3 in these two boxes. Here, 3 in this row, so no 3 in those two boxes. So one box left for the 3 should be there in this big square. 3 in the last column, 3 in that column. So the column between the only two places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this row, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row below, the only two places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. Alright. Now I cannot continue with the 3. Okay. So here we have two missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. Let me mark those two boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 6 in this row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So 1, okay, 4, 4, 8, 8. Alright. And we have a pair. The 3 and the 6 in this row, the 3 and the 6 in the row below. So in the last row, the only two places left for the 3 and the 6 goes in those two boxes. As a pair, 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6 cannot fill this yet, need to wait to have more information. But the other pair in this big square are the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. Let me mark those two boxes, 4 and 9. Alright. Two missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 2 in the last row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. So now we have two missing numbers in this big square. For the numbers, 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. Let me mark those two boxes. So here we have a pair in this row, the 1 and the 4. So what number is this one? In this row, we have the 1. The 2 is missing then. The 2, yeah. 2, 2, 2. Alright. These two missing numbers, I believe 1 and a 4. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. Alright, let me mark those two boxes. Okay, so what numbers are those missing numbers in this column? We have here 1 and a 4. 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 2 in the first row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Then, here, two missing numbers. In this row, the first row, for the numbers, so 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. This box should be a 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 9. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 9. Now we have a 9 there, so this box can't be 9 anymore. That box should be 9. Now we have a 4 in this row, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. This box should be a 1. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 1. two missing numbers. In this big square, for numbers, a 1 is missing, the 2 and a 3 is missing. 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. Cannot fill this yet. These two missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have an 8 in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So we have a 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this column, so no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 there, 4 should be here. And the 8 goes there, 4 in this column. 4 in that column, so the column between, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in the third row, so no 4 there, 4 should be here. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. So 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 1 and an 8, 1 and an 8. We have an 8 in the second row, so no 8 there, 8 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore, that box should be a 1, and this box should be a 3. 2 missing numbers in the third row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there, 9 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore, that box should be a 3. And this box should be 6. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 6 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Well, told you I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve a 2 stars puzzle. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later on with the other 3 puzzles in the additional. Until then, bye-bye for now.